Hey guys, Zero from X Customs. I want to show you really quick how to take care of a very simple problem if you're having it with the PTW not firing. And what I want to go ahead and do is show you how to clean the eyes on the gear, on the sun gear of your PTW, as well as how to pull the board and gently clean the actual sensors themselves, because this is a common issue with PTWs that will unfortunately lead to the gun acting like it has a bad motor when it actually doesn't. So what we're going to do is, first thing we're going to do is take off the bolt release. I'm going to go ahead and just remove that. I've already loosened the pin here, the pin right here. Now you want to take this spring, be very careful with it, don't lose it, just place it off to the side. Now you just have the receiver. So what you want to do is first take a look at the two eyes in the gear itself. And you want to get something nice and thin to stick in there to clean them. So you want to roll it around in there, clean off any gunk that's in there, because that's what tells the electronic system to stop firing, to apply the active braking from the MOSFET. Then what you want to do is, sometimes what happens is if a gearbox is new, it's been over lubricated, it'll actually get on the eyes of the board itself. Now to show you what that looks like, here's one of them right here. These are the eyes right here. So this shoots a beam across, and that beam then goes through the two holes, trying to focus as best I can, and that's what tells the gun to stop firing. You know, to apply the brake, stop the gear set in a certain position. So if this is dirty, if these two are dirty, that laser is no longer working, and therefore you're going to have degraded performance. So what you want to do is, once the bolt release is out, you want to gently, very gently pry that board out. It should come out freely. It doesn't have to come all the way out, just enough to clean it. And then you can look at the eyes, and you can tell there's a little bit of dirt on them. So what you want to do is grab a Q-tip, something like that, and just extremely gently just clean those eyes a little bit. Just get any residue off. There could be lubricant on it from the gear spinning, you know, anything. Then be very careful. Slide that board back into the receiver. Make sure it's nice and flush. Make sure the plastic piece that hides your wiring is nice and flush as well. Apply the spring back into your bolt release. Put in your bolt release. Just do a quick test fit. Head, grab a battery, and then test the gun, make sure it's cycling properly, and that's it. If that does not fix the problem, you still have an LED issue or anything like that, then you start looking toward other symptoms. It could potentially be the motor, it could be the board, any one of them. There are three main boards in the PTW. You have your MOSFET, the trigger, the selector switch, and you have the sensor board. The other thing you could do with the motor is take the motor completely out, plug your battery in directly to the positive and negative of the battery, just temporarily sending voltage through it. What that'll do is it'll tell you if there's a dead pole on the motor itself. So that could tell you very quickly if you have a bad spot in the motor. So hopefully this has been informative. Check out our website, zerocustoms.com, and definitely like our Facebook page, and if you have any requests, just let us know. Thank you all very much.